Hello everyone and welcome to my first C# video tutorial. Okay, so let's see something about C#. It's a language like C++ or C or other, but more useful. Okay, so in this tutorial we'll talk about the basic of the language and we'll download and install it. First we write on Google Microsoft Visual C#, okay, and we'll go here, go to downloads, go to Express, and search C#. I'm trying to find the newer version, but I don't find, so let's download that. English, install now. Downloading. You remember that the last time we installed Visual C++, but now we use C#, and it's installing. The installation is very easy. I think you can do it by yourself, but yes. Two minutes and 4 seconds. And for my videos, please watch them in I don't know how to read it. Okay, that quality, if you want to see all the code. Else, if you don't want to understand, watch it in I must clear my desktop, but I don't have time for now. Send information about my setup experience to Microsoft Corporation. No. Next. I have read and accept the license terms. Next. Install. And we're installing it very fast. It downloads its components. And let's talk about something. Everything you want. I don't know. You see there is downloading. Let's talk about the school. Nah, no. Something else. $71 megabytes, and now it's installing. You can use it like Visual C++, but this is C#, what is, I think, easier than C++, if you can believe. And then I record that I must set render. I hear, oh yeah, okay, 5 minutes and 32 seconds. You can buy Camtasia from the description of this video or other videos. And if you don't like to install that Express C++ version, you can also install Visual Studio, a newer version, but you must buy it, or you obtain it in your ways. But I recommend you to buy it. But if you are only a beginner who wants to learn, better install that, what I'm installing now. Who plays Minecraft? I play Minecraft. Let's go to Metro. Metro UI. I really like that new Windows 8.1. It's better than 8. But I think it's better than Windows 7 or 8 or something else. Be right back. So I'm back here. It installed something, but we're waiting. Something isn't hard, very easy. I think a minute ago I stopped the recording and now it already installed, so it's very fast. Yeah. Let's search it here and we open it. Yeah, you see that here is Visual C# and not Visual C++. And we'll create our first Windows Forms application. You are so slow. It's very slow because my processor is, you see here, properties, .8 GHz, so that's very slow. But I have 4 RAM memory, but isn't useful if I don't have a good processor. Okay, so now let's create our first form application. New project, and click there on Forms application. And let's wait some time. Okay, so you see that here will be our problem, then we compile it. Let's talk about the toolbox. You see here I have a toolbox. If you don't have, click there, but I think you have, and if you don't have, just click here on view, other window, and toolbox, but you'll have toolbox. Let's move it. Let's move that toolbox here. Okay, so it's very easy that with toolbox. For example, if I drag and drop, let's make it bigger, a button from here, I will have here that button. Yeah, you see that button, and if I compile it, you see that our application is like here. You see, and if I press that button, nothing happens. And let's close it. If I want to put a checkbox, I'll put here. And if I want to control that items, I must write code. The code, I think, is here. Yeah, there is the code of the application, and here is the application. But about the code we'll talk in new tutorials, but now you can play everything. Here, place a button, a checkbox, and here the code. Yeah. Let's close it, and that's very easy, nothing hard, and in other tutorials we'll talk about that language. Okay, so goodbye.